For a child, a pet can be a great companion, but bringing an animal into the home also poses some potential health risks. Once again, here's Rod Starnes with a look at how owning a pet can affect your child's health.
With the wag of a tail or a soft purr, a pet can bring immeasurable joy to a family. But if the decision to bring one of these furry friends into the family is made too quickly, you could be bringing some problems home as well.
You would want to consider A, health, and B, temperament. So if you have an animal that you think would not be safe around children, then you're going to either need to address that with behavior modification or find a home for that pet.
In considering the health of an animal, shelters and pet foster homes do a great job of staying on top of any illnesses a pet can get. Generally speaking, pet illnesses cannot be transmitted to people, but pets can carry bacteria that can transmit infections. This could pose a problem for babies and young children, pregnant women, and those who have a disease that suppresses the immune system, such as HIV. So if any of your family members fit into those categories, check with your doctor before heading out to get a pet. Now, if your child develops an allergy to a pet, or if he or she has asthma, there are some steps you can take to help ease the problem and perhaps keep your four-legged friends around, including using allergy medicine or shots, keeping the pet outside, or getting an air filter. Another thing to keep in mind when it comes to kids and pets is that training isn't only for your pet. Children need to know the importance of washing up often, especially after touching, feeding, or cleaning up after a pet. Parents, you can help set the example by wearing gloves while cleaning up that litter box. And make sure your children know that while animals can be fun, they're not toys.
You know, the child should know that the animal feels pain and that you should avoid hurting it like you would a person because they're going to resent it.
One of the best ways to find a pet with just the right temperament for your household is to check out a pet foster home.
They'll usually talk to you about your home situation and what kind of housing you have and the temperament of your children and the ages, and they'll try to make a match there.
And numerous studies are showing the health benefits of pet ownership, both physically and emotionally.
The children will probably have a stronger immune system, they'll have more self-confidence, they'll be better able to interact with people. I mean, I just think the benefits are infinite.
For Smart Medicine, I'm Rod Starnes.